Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to grab some data from Census.Data.Gov. So on the Census website, go ahead and hit or hover over the Explore Data tab. Click on Explore Data Main. So in the search tool here, let's look for median income New York State, or any geography that you're interested in getting data for. Hit search. So right here in this box, it tells us that as of the 2019 American Community Survey one-year estimate, the median household income in New York State is $72,108 plus or minus $452. So you can go ahead and search and pick from any of these other tables that you might be interested in, but for sake of simplicity, I'm just going to go ahead and select this table. So this is the title of the table, Income in the Past 12 Months in 2019 Inflation Adjusted Dollars from the American Community Survey. And the table ID is S1901. S stands for subject table. You can filter here from any of the data sets that are available. You can do the 2019 1 year, the 2019 5 year, or go all the way down to 2010. We're just going to go ahead and select the one we have selected. So what's in this table? Here on the left, you have your income brackets. You have your median income, your mean income, and then percent allocated. So our geography is New York State. We have a households area with the estimate and the margin of error. Same for families, married couples, and non-family households. So how do I download this data? Click Customize Table, and right here, you'll see a download button. Click it, and you're going to have a few options. You can select all the tables. You can select specific ones, like I just want the 1 year, maybe I want the 5 year as well. I can get that. And it tells you what you're getting. You're going to get the CSV file that has the metadata, the CSV files that have the data, and some text files that have the table title. Metadata is going to tell you what each column, the table, what it refers to as far as the item that's going to be in that column. Click download, and that's it. Download now. And there's our information. So you'll see, I'll open this up a little bit. Here's the 5-year data. Okay, it's an Excel comma separated values file. There's your text data. And here is some other information that's included. So this is zipped up. So use a unzipped program and zip it to where it is you want to put it. Thanks for watching.